Let's use the Scarecrow Zombie Teeth Paint and Blood Kit. For this look, I'm only going to use the two teeth paint colors. Shake them well before use. Wipe your teeth with paper towel to make them dry, and keep your lips flared up during the application of the paint. Using the brush that comes with the kit, I'm taking the green color first, and I'm kind of stippling that between my teeth. And build up the layers until you're satisfied with the overall look. Of course, these paints are only temporary, so brushing your teeth will do the trick to remove the paints. So if you need to start again, you know what you got to do. Now, I'm also going to take that yellow color, or jaundice if you will, and I'm going to apply that in between the teeth as well, but also then paint it onto the rest of my teeth. So I'm using stippling motions and swiping motions. This application took me about 10 minutes because I wanted to let the layers dry for about 30 to 60 seconds each time, but this is so easy to do. Anybody can do this. For this look, my Beetlejuice inspired look, I wanted the colors to be pretty opaque, so I layered and layered until I was finally satisfied with how it looked. And here we go. This is the final look. Once everything was dry, which took about 30 to 60 seconds, I could just close my mouth, talk, have a drink. It lasted until I took it off. This teeth paint kit is perfect for your cosplay or Halloween. I had lots of fun using them. Thank you so much, Scarecrow, for sending me them as a gift. And for everybody watching, be sure to check them out on scarecrowvampires.com.